Day 1 of Naga, and we're literally upside down right now, but we are going. Definitely outside again. And I've fully charged my phone at 96%. Let's go see. We're in a different car right now. Here's the difference between with super steady and without super steady. You can tell without super steady, it's very shaky. Julie B. Santera. All Day Supermarket. Welcome to Vista Mall, also known as the mall named after Windows Vista.
Serious?
Yes, because Vista. All Home, All Day Supermarket, All TV. Goodbye for now, Naga City. I think we're going to a stationary landfall thing. I forgot now what that was. I didn't even record the sign.
What?
I don't even know what the I didn't film the sign on camera. Ah, it's Naga City Sanitary Landfill. We're not going there. We're not going there. We're here. Wait. Why is it all C-Tech? Oh, I see. Because there's a C-Tech here. You're like having a training class. So you're telling me this is the swimming pool and we're upside down again. Bro, C-Tech sub. Guys, look at this. Definitely going inside.
Oh, this one is the one we bought home.
Oh wait, what the? Okay, the reason why I'm in a van right now is because my cousin's gonna pick her friend's classmates. Dog, it's so fast. Bro, we're at fast speed right now, dog. And without the seatbelt, this is very cautious. This is very dangerous. Welcome to Philippines. Bro, this is so dangerous. I just met a student driver. Okay, we're going back here because, well, yeah, you already know what it is. Rewind for context. Here we go. We're gonna pick our second batch here. We're going back to the pool. We having pizzas. There's the training if anybody wants to know. That's why we had to get out of the pool. I wasn't able to vlog in the pool because, yeah, I just had some fun time and, yeah, I don't want my phone wet. I will now go. They're all playing billiards because, yeah, we will all swim later, so, yeah.
Na-feature ka na sa vlog niya.
What in the world is happening
Nagalaw ng
here?
bola. Pantay kasi dapat.
Just shake it, just shake it. Shake mo yan. Shake mo yan. Like this. Pantay na? Hoy, pantay na ba? Okay, go.
I-break mo na.
Real. Anong gumalaw? Anong gumalaw? Sinong kalaban ni Nita?
Ako. Kunyari mo na ba? Let's go, Efren Battle. Ayusin mo, naka-video ka. Ayusin mo.
No pressure.
Malilapit na.
Professional. Sugi.
Usog nga ni Gibbs Gibbs ka. Oh, pil na bil. Op, zap. Mayo. Ano naulog mo? Mayo to. Ano yun? Dahil mayo pa ng ganito.
Ano to? May naulog siya.
Kaya nga, wala pa rin yun. Oo, ang
8 ball ko ta. Sige na. Oh, dito ka. It's nice stand. Opo. Hihit.
stripes ka.
Stripes ka tayo.
Daog pa nila si mga kaklase ko nag-bilyar.
Go!
Teka.
Should we put it back? Go.
Wait. Again na.
Ayan! my phone's gonna get wet after this. Yeah, I could have I could have recorded y'all going home, but I couldn't do that because my phone is seriously low battery right now. 12%. Not good. Goodbye, C-Tech.